I finally cracked the code to signing all the real estate agent clients you'll ever need. If you give me an hour of your time, I'll show you exactly how I do it and how you can do it step by step. Mike Paul here with a very true story. Some of you know I've spent many years in the real estate business. What I learned about real estate is valuable, but what I learned about real estate agents was priceless. I learned what motivates them, and it's not just the money. I learned what they're willing to do and what they want to avoid. I learned how to talk their language. Heck, I was one. I saw what they responded to with outside vendors, and I definitely saw what they hated. All modesty aside, this uniquely prepared me to teach marketing consulting to fortunate students like you. And I know I can help you do better landing realtors as clients while making greater fees. It's a new way for any dedicated to offline local consultant to boost their income by thousands every single month. In some cases, you'll have enough extra to radically improve your lifestyle. I'm talking about things like multiple vacations, private school for your kids, or just enough extra security socked away in the bank. Yet, and I know this may be hard to swallow, the time and effort it takes will be a fraction of what you're probably doing right now. See, the current real estate scene has pushed us into a very unique situation. It's no longer a home buyer's market. In fact, home buyers are at a guaranteed loss right now. They will pay full price for a home or more. They will compete with other home buyers making offers on the same home. And if they're lucky, they'll take the home they buy as is with no repairs. In short, the home buyer is at the total mercy of the home seller. It's officially what's called a seller's market. But you know who else is at a guaranteed loss? The real estate agent who works with home buyers. It's a known fact that realtors are showing piles and piles of homes to one home buyer before they can maybe get a home seller to agree to their offer. But truth be told, in many cases, their home buyer client will get discouraged and simply wimp out, changing their mind forever, forgetting the notion to buy a home in this competitive market, leaving that real estate agent out in the cold with no pay and nothing to show for it. Yeah, this is a challenge, but it's a golden opportunity for you, the smart consultant. Your future real estate agent clients want one thing. They want home seller leads. You want to know why? Because if a real estate agent works with home sellers, they can literally sit back and let all the other buyer agents sell their client's home for them. It makes no difference to the home seller's agent. The home will sell in our market. And all they had to do was get the contract signed and slap a home listing on the internet. And since online vendors and local marketers are still pushing online home buyer leads, your competition won't hold a candle to you. If you can produce hot, ripe, and motivated home seller leads. But generating home seller leads can be tricky if you don't have the right formula. So think about this. There's a consultant I know. We often run ideas by each other. His name is Nate. Nate also loves working with real estate agents. And one day he calls me out of the blue and says, Mike, I want to send you some results of a direct mail campaign I'm using. I said, direct mail? I don't know, Nate. Nate just said, hey, Mike, just trust me and take a look. How do I say this? Nate became a marketing scientist of sorts. He took different ingredients, mixed them, failed, mixed other combination, failed, did it again, and boom. I was looking at his results on my screen and I couldn't believe my eyes. Crazy, right? As a consultant, even if you're brand new, you now have this discovery in your hands. Nate discovered 2 ingredients that when mixed, formed an amazing outcome to generate the highest quality, most responsive home seller leads possible. These 2 ingredients? Direct mail mixed with online ads. But there's actually a 3rd ingredient that will have your future clients coming back for more every single month to pay you up to $1,000 recurring. It's the emotion of jealousy. That's the 3rd ingredient. Throw this emotion into the ad text, onto postcards and letters, and home seller leads start to come out the wazoo. But here's the best part. You can set up an entire campaign for your clients in under 20 minutes. Let it run and get paid handsomely to do it. Now, I don't want to give you all the details just yet, but I do want you to know that just like in all of my programs, you'll have everything you need. You'll know how to get leads for your own business. You'll know exactly where to find the most hungry real estate agents that'll crave your services and ask you to help them. You'll even know what messaging swipes I use to copy and paste your way to an ever-flowing stream of inbound prospects. And of course, I'm here to support you. If you have any questions, reach out to the support desk. We're always thrilled to hear from you. We'll be with you every step of the way. Now, here's what I want you to do right now. I want you to take action. Go through this page, study it. Then at the bottom of the page somewhere, there's an add to cart button. Go ahead and click that button, get involved, get started, and I'll see you on the inside.